And one more thing, I hope it doesn't cut off. If you ever find yourself in a situation, if somebody's mother, do you understand? Just like that woman at the bank, conversation number 1. What do you do in there to make that money? Conversation number 2. How did you get that return? Conversation number 3. I hear you have a 401k plan. Can you get my son in? When someone comes into your place of employment, like Margo, YOLEY, and WANDA, the girls of Rock Creek Park, you know, the black ones. When one of the 3, and it's just the one who has never, I don't even know where, her house was, I'm not, 3 houses from the Duke Gate University. Her husband, vice president of a division of IBM. Why should I care? I've got IBM all around Westchester. I am pie, right? You know, don't bother me. So she comes into my store. I love to vacuum. Cleaning is instant gratification. And when I wrote the manual on cleaning, bigger, brighter, better, Kinko's your branch office, alliteration, BBB. I like that, BBB. I wrote it, bigger, brighter, better. Our customers do have long coats in the wintertime. And don't. When I get there, never again. But if I ever did, and my coat rubs up against your toner side, your nose. When I wrote it, I meant it. And I'm vacuuming, and there she is. Not, hello, Sophia. Not, hey, when do you go to lunch, Sophia? No. But why should I expect that? Nobody on Main Street, Tarrytown says sarsaparilla on an August day, young paper girl. Not even the VFW, and I don't care because they don't tip either. Can't help that. What do you want from me? You know, she knows I've had academic difficulties. She knows who, and I have no idea who these people are, except that her father, and so what? I have people of importance, bigger than that. You know, Sophia, if you can't write, keep vacuuming. I will, thank you. That's all. You understand? And then the other one with that white streak of hair, and she says she married Dr. Drew, and I don't know who he is, but like she's the 2nd or the 3rd, but he invented something with blood. She sues people. Her daughter is the CBS married roommate baptized the house poor children. It doesn't matter. She comes, I see the white hair, I'm in Trinity banished. If I'm just making a $10 profit check once a month, I run into the front, I level out the carpets, because you know if it's up, they'll, woo! I walk her to the counter. I'm crippled myself. You don't bother me. I seem to have bothered all of you, but Wanda. No, what's your name? Fatso, Margo. Oh, I've got 20 more sizes to go. Margo Flood. The Floods of... No, but that would be the married name. I don't know who she is. Keep vacuuming. Now I'm being re-educated and don't. That was not paid by the state of New York, and it's on my LinkedIn. Why not? You paid for it. It goes alongside my high school diploma, Vessid. Now the security guy for the hotel, I'm just vacuuming. It's a big, I've got lots of rooms. Not conference rooms. And once you memorize the names, you're good to go. You know where you're going. You and your vacuum. Because you know, the tea, it has a suitcase. That's my job, too. Ooh, just wait till the queen figures out they put Kurtzopoulos on tea duty. Has its own little suitcase. It's too much. Tea in a... And you don't polish it like silver. It's like velvet. Whatever reason he wants to chit chat. And I don't care, but so I told him I like to tell people things I think they may not know. And this is true. If grass seed, not marijuana, if it did not come to the United States, you would not have a horse. So, you understand? Yankee Doodle Dandy. A Yankee Doodle do or die. Real live nephew. Because they had a fight. They're not like that anymore. They need to take his statue off of Times. No, it's not. Just me in here. No, I'm not converts. You understand? In that book with the rainbow, because the coalition is gone, and you better fix it. Maybe it'll get better. He said it was that no odious treason. Johnson, another whack job after they killed Lincoln, but that'll do. Odious treason, like Great Expectation, it's that odious Sophia's fault. I wasn't born. How did that happen? It must be something. Who knows?